Welcome to another episode of Carter's Kitchen. Today we're going to prepare for you chicken and shrimp in a sweet chili sauce, okay? So I want to give another shout out to my friend Patrick for a Gotta God t-shirt. Check in the description below. You can go ahead and support him, okay? So let's go into the kitchen and start cooking. So what you're going to need for cooking today, you're going to need rice. We're going to cook sweet chili chicken and shrimp. You're going to need rice. You're going to need water for rice, some salt, a bit of ketchup, some sweet chili, some Old Bay seasoning for chicken and shrimp, a little bit of adobo, and some Larry's and a little bit of oil. So that's basically what we're going to need, and then obviously we're going to use some vegetables to add to our meat later, okay? So let's start preparing our chicken and shrimp, and let's get it cooking. Okay, so now we already clean up our chicken and shrimp with some vinegar. We're about to add our seasoning. So we're going to put half a tablespoon of Larry's. Go. And as you go, just try to mix that in. Good. We're going to put half a tablespoon of Old Bay. There we go. Mix that in. Then we're going to also put half a teaspoon of Old Bay. So this is Old Bay before we add adobo, and half a teaspoon. Okay? I'm going to mix this in nicely. There we go. All set. And then we're going to let this marinate probably about 30 minutes in the refrigerator, just to get those seasonings blended in nicely, and then we're going to start again. Alright? So we're about to wash our rice, and as we normally do, wash our rice 3 times, get rid of the excess starch. There we go. And it's not really 3 times, you can wash it as many times as you possibly want, or as many times as you want, as long as you get rid of the excess starch off the rice. Okay. There we go. Gotta be careful not to waste too much of your rice. Let's see. Okay. Let's give it one more. Try to get that water clear. It's nice and clear.
RS Production.
Okay. And then we're just gonna pour a little water in there and then put it on the fire. And you don't want to put too much water in your rice, okay? Because that means your rice won't be cooked nice and fluffy. Alright? Okay, so we just add half a tablespoon of salt. We're gonna put a spoon of butter in there. Alright, we're going to pour the oil in a pot. Now the pot is hot. That's it. Not too much. There we go. Just kind of swirl it around a little bit. Good job. So now we're going to add our shrimp and chicken. Alright, about to add our shrimp and chicken. There we go. Let's put it in there. Mixed it. And this don't normally take that long to cook, okay? It shouldn't take that long to cook. About 30 minutes tops. And just allow that to get some color on there. As the rice starts to boil, you're about to turn the rice pot down a little bit. There you go. Nicely. Try to get those shrimp and chicken to get all that seasoning and nice and start to turn over as the color starts to change. So in the interest of time, we went ahead and prepared some vegetables, some onions, bell peppers, thyme, scallion, carrots, and tomatoes. We're going to add all of these to this side, and then after that, we're going to let it simmer down. So we're going to add our onions first, then our bell peppers, and our scallion, and a little bit of hot pepper is also on there. There we go. Put that in. We're going to just add our carrots. The carrots is a little longer to cook. We got to add them in a little bit earlier. I don't want to add my tomatoes yet, and so later on, okay? I'm going to overcook my tomatoes. Here we go. We're going to allow this to simmer about 3 to 5 minutes and then get back to it, okay? So what we normally do when the rice starts to boil, we turn the stove down and low. And we use like a foil to kind of have most of the water, have it cook pretty quickly. You just put this over there nicely. And this kind of helps to steam your rice very quick. And if there's excess water in the pot, it helps to remove it. And please remember to turn your stove down low, okay? There we go. And we just let our shrimp and chicken simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes and then get back to it again after that. Alright, let's check on our chicken and shrimp. Nicely. All simmering nice. Give it a little stir. There we go. Rice down. Okay. Let this simmer some more. Another 3 more minutes. And then we're going to add our sweet chili sauce and a bit of ketchup. And then we should be on our way. Finished. Okay, so we're now to add our sweet chili sauce. We just add our tomatoes in. And then we're going to add our sweet chili sauce. And that's going to swirl around. And the sweet chili sauce gives it a nice little flavor to it. Okay, we're just going to pour some of that in. Not too much. We're going to add a little bit of ketchup to give it that nice, rich tomato paste that we're looking for. Okay, so we'll stir this in a little bit. There we go. Gotta be careful not to spill. And it's coming along pretty good, especially with all those colors for the bell peppers, the tomatoes, the carrots, the onions. Everything's coming along nicely. And as I said, you don't want to overcook your shrimp because shrimp get a little bit chewy when you overcook it. Ketchup, as you do know, guys, I love ketchup. I don't know, but I always like to put ketchup with most things, not everything. So put that in, especially with this meal, it goes pretty good. And this is going to be like about 5 minutes, 7 minutes tops, if so much, to finish cook. When our rice is on its way, okay? So just gonna leave this to simmer down about 5 minutes, and then we'll be finished, pretty much. There we go. We'll turn the stove down to medium flame, and there we have it. Okay, so let's check our chicken and shrimp. Pretty good. Looking lovely. Here we go. So that's all finished. Alright, so we're going to give our rice. Our rice is almost finished. So give it about 5 to 7 more minutes and then we should be done and start with this on the plate. Okay? Looking really nice. There you go. Nice, rich, and tomato paste, and along with that sweet chili sauce. Turn the stove off for our meat. And our rice should be finished in about 5 to 7 minutes and then we should be good to continue this on the plate. Alright guys? Alright, so let's go ahead and check your rice. Move forward. Go. As you can see, our rice is nice and fluffy. There you go. Looking pretty good. And we're about to turn this stove off and start putting this on the plate. Okay guys, so we're just gonna plate this out. Alright, pull our rice out. This side. Use a different spoon. And look at that guys. Nice, rich, looking yummy. Take this out. Some nice shrimp right here. Okay, carrots. Try to put my vegetables on there. Nice. There we go. And there you have it. Grab it, guys. Shrimp and chicken in sweet chili sauce, okay? So please like, subscribe, and share to my channel. And leave your comments so I can know what you guys would like me to cook on a regular basis for you. So until next episode, see you guys. Bye.